This video is about the foundation repair. My house has issues. The slab has issues, and so I hire a foundation repair guys, and they give me this schematic. And all these dots you see around the perimeter, it means that the piers, and then inside the garage, there are also piers. So they charging me about 15,000, a little bit more than 15,000. So here inside, that's the garage, and okay, they do, and this is the outside. So they had to do a total of 22 piers. So most of it is on the around the perimeter, and 6 inside the garage. So they around each side of the house, and they dig a hole, and they will put in a metal pier that's deep down, and then after that they'll put those concrete whatever they call them, and but underneath, but for 15 feet, it's metal piers. So they call this hybrid. So yeah, this is how they do this around the house. So if I wanted more money, they would have done. They would put metal piers all the way underneath the house. I mean, to touch the foundation, but no, that's how they do it. So, and I don't know if how long this is going to last, but again, this is the entrance of the house. This is the side of it, and the garage was a little bit tilting. So, and we had cracks all over the top floor, and the slab in the garage also had a long crack, so it cut, pretty much cut in half. So from the outside of the house, you could see it go through the garage to the opposing side. This is the front. You see the driveway, they put 2, and then inside the garage there are total 6, but there are only 3 or 4 holes. So they just had to dug tunnels so they can put additional piers. So this is the right side of the house. So this is pretty much when they were digging. So I didn't really record them the way I was supposed to, because I just wanted to give them freedom to do what they were doing. But at the same time, me recording, then they know that I'm paying attention. And I also made sure that they give me all those 22 piers that I paid for. And this is the right side for digging again. So the hardest part of the job was the digging, but they got lucky. The ground is it's soft. It had rained previously, and then also on the day of this job, it rained too. So the reason we have issues with houses in this area is because of the type of soil. It's clay. When it rains, it dried pretty fast. So and as a result, the ground shifts. Even in my backyard, sometimes I would just take a broom and then just stick it through the cracks, and it will go all the way down. It's because it's clay in this area. So the house foundations are really bad, and many people in my area here are having foundation repair. And this is the front again, and this house was built in 2006, and in front of here you see there's other people who had that work done. This is the driveway again, and look at them. Yeah, they actually put 3 holes, but they dug tunnels and to put the other ones. So this is here, that's where they pretty much done digging the holes. So now they are doing the preparation to lift the house. So that's how they're going to lift it. So yeah, that's the jack. So when they did it, all of them together in unison. So this company was great. They sent a large crew, and so they had the job done in just one day. But they had to come back some other day to clean because it rained at the end. But in terms of those 22 piers, they got everything. It's the side again. And that's inside the garage. This is a better view. And you see, he's not too short, but you can see it's
Oh, okay,
the hole
okay.
is very deep.
Okay.
You have to go
Oh,
down.
I see, I see.
There's 2, 3, 4. There's another double over here. You want to check it out?
Oh, okay.
There's one here and then one over here.
Oh.
You see what I mean?
Yes.
So they don't have to be multiple holes, no. Because if we did like whole,
Okay,
the
you
whole
see
thing
that.
would be gone. You know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Piers.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah, you get all the piers. Right now they're taking pictures of all of them and they're going to start backfilling as well.
Okay.
You want to check this out real quick?
Yes. Be careful.
So that right there would be the finished product right there.
Oh, that's how it's done.
Yes,
Those
sir.
are
And
the
on
front
top of the
ones.
cylinders, you see the
Front
steel
of the
stems?
garage.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the part that, that keeps it in place.
Okay. That's
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right. Appreciate it.
This is it. They've already lifted this part here.
For
So
the concrete
that's
that we
good.
need,
That's
do you need
good.
anything from me before I head out?
No, no, we're good. We're good. Thank you. Huh?
She didn't do anything. She just supervised.
Yes.
And this is the entrance. It's already been lifted, and that's basically what it looks like. Like I said, at the deep part, they have it's a metal. And yeah, this is it in front. In here.
Oh, Nally. Oh, it went back in. No, you're fine.
Costs a lot of money to get this done. Again, like I said, $15,000. It could have been more if I didn't go for the options of having those bricks on top. It would have been a lot more. But again, the bricks are good. Again, I'm not an expert, so I just think that they do a good job. So now they finished and they are covering up the holes. And again, the only issue is I guess it would have cost too much money, but just putting the loose soil inside, I don't think it's going to be effective because it's ground. So yeah, this is plumbing in the garage. Well, they broke that plumbing later on. They broke it, so I had to get this done. So I'm talking now after the fact, but we did have a crack on that plumbing in the garage. So that's some more money I have to spend. That's a rebar in the concrete in the garage. Yeah, they broke that part here. They broke it while they're lifting the house, but we didn't know. It's doing the test. We found out. Again, they're covering the hole back up.
They filled this back up.
They done, especially on this side here, covering it, but they still have to clean up. trying to get it loose so it can settle properly. And look at them, yeah, it's a lot of people. I think they had close to 20 workers. Each one got paid at $5 an hour.
Again, we are a few days after the completion of the job, and inside the garage they put 6 piers. Even though you see 3 holes, but they had to dug tunnels and to do that. This is a crack we have our in front of the door in the garage, and it was wider, so now it is all back together. I mean, you still can see the crack, but you could have put a penny through it. Also on top of here, you see there was a gap too, but it is all closed up, so you just need to patch it. So again, we are still in the garage, and then this is the driveway, and that's 2 more, and they did this yesterday. So one here, and then this is the sidewalk to the house. And so they fixed out, because there were piers here, and that's the side, 2 on that side, and then also 2 over here. Again, this is the back side. So everything is done, and it cost me $15,000. The insurance did not cover it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you see something that they didn't do correctly, just let me know. So I'm not an expert, I don't know. They just did what they said that they were going to do. Whether or not they did it correctly, I do not know. But they gave me 5 days of warranty on the work and labor. No, I'm joking. Many years. Thank you.